Hello, how are you guys doing? I just hope you are doing fantastic. So it's another day, another banger video, and as you can see by the title, I'll be preparing tumbukiza. But first things first, let's buy the ingredients. So I only wanted spices, the black pepper and the cubes. And yeah, the queue was queuing. Look at that. Students were all over. I think they had closed school, so I just had to wait. Tell me you're a content creator without telling me you are. I passed by somewhere where there was a Samsung launch. So right here, I was just trying to record this guy. He was funny. I stood there for a few minutes, just listen to what he was saying.
Nunua simu, mtu anunue simu hata tuende na hiyo KFC. Yes, can someone buy that KFC? Unakuja hapa, unanunua simu. Yes, ukishanunua simu, alafu hii voucher tunaenda na hiyo KFC. Yes, tunakula tu, we are just eating na kukulisha unanikulisha.
I was trying to dry off the excess water from the beef before I could add in oil. So you can go in with 2 tablespoons of oil because we want our beef to have flavors, like to have taste. We don't want to just go in with our beef evil before even adding some oil. Yeah, so we're gonna do this. Make sure the beef umeitan both sides imeshika mafuta, then you can now add water.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
So this is how your beef should look like, and this is gonna add a lot of flavors in your tumbukiza because now we've fried the beef a little bit in the oil, so it's gonna add flavors, a lot of flavors in our tumbukiza.
I wish I knew how much I miss. Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance.
So we let our beef cook for 1 to 2 hours because we want our beef to be very, very tender. our beef has boiled for about 1 hour 30 minutes. So I'll just go in with my other ingredients, the potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, and onions in that order. I was trying to check on the potatoes and look at that. The beef is so tender in a way that nikieka tu hapo fork inaishika. Oh my god. And finally, we go in with our spinach and now we let it cook for 2 minutes. You can steam or cook for 2 minutes because we don't want it to change the color here. And now our tumbukiza is ready. Serve it while hot.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes
And ta-da! There you go. Our meal is ready. Our tumbukiza is ready. Yes, you can serve it with any accompaniment of your choice. And mimi hapa, I just had to dig in without even thinking about what I should eat it with. Yeah, because it was so yummy and the aroma was giving. Oh my god. Everything was cooked to perfection. Make sure you try out. Bye. And ta-da! There you go. Our meal is ready. Like everything is cooked to perfection. You can see the Irish potatoes, the beef, and the beef. Oh my god, the beef is so tender. That is why you need to cook your beef for some good time. You can enjoy it with any accompaniment of your choice. So, bye for now. Make sure you subscribe.